फ्रेंड, मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं इस वक्त हमारे ANF के वो नौजवान जो अपनी जान पर खेल कर इस मंशियात को और स्मगलर को पकड़ते हैं। फायरिंग्स होती हैं, हमारे जवान शहीद होते हैं और अल्लाह की राह में जान देते हैं इस पाकिस्तान के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए। तो आज BFP TV इन सब को सलूट पेश करता है जी। मेरी कौम के इन मुआवज़ों को सलूट। और आप देखते रहें BFP TV। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। फ्रेंड्स, इस वक्त मैं आपको लेके जा रहा हूँ ANF की तकरीब हो रही है, एंटी नारकोटिक्स फोर्स की ड्रग बर्निंग सेरेमनी, जो कि हर साल होती है। मैं बाइक पे आया हूँ, ज़रा मेरा हुलिया बहुत बिगड़ गया, तो चलिए आपको चल के दिखाते हैं इस तकरीब का कुछ अहवाल। और आज आपको दिखाएंगे कि जी पाकिस्तान एंटी नारकोटिक फोर्स कितना अच्छा काम करती है और कितनी मंशियात हर साल पकड़ती है और इसको जलाती है। मेरे साथ रहें, देखते रहें BFP TV।
Initiated a national survey on drugs prevalent in Pakistan from the menace of illicit trafficking and abuse in narcotic drugs. UNODC and the government of Pakistan have a long collaborative and very productive relationship which has actually spanned over 4 decades. We highly appreciate the concerted and highly commendable efforts of the government of Pakistan and all the ministry of agencies working across all aspects of the problem, from prevention to treatment to interdiction, particularly the anti-narcotics force for making phenomenal interdiction operations that have resulted in huge seizures of illicit narcotics destined for international markets. Pakistan is one of the most affected transit and destination countries, and it leads international efforts against the massive flow of illicit drugs from the Southwest Asia region to the rest of the world. We at UNODC, we well recognise that the anti-narcotics force and the other agencies working in counter-narcotics are dealing with these threats and challenges every day and at great cost. Indeed, our thoughts go out to the families of the law enforcement personnel who've laid down their lives in the line of duty in pursuit of this very noble cause. UNODC adopts a holistic approach to support the government and people of Pakistan in addressing various drugs and crime challenges, encompassing both domestic and transnational issues. These goals are pursued through capacity building, research, technical guidance, supporting Pakistan's interagency and has been highlighted regional and international cooperation, and support the Pakistan in adopting and implementing the various United Nations conventions, treaties and protocols. Our well-structured Pakistan Country Program 3 2022 to 2025, which was developed through extensive consultation with all of our partners, and we also have a regional program for Afghanistan and neighbouring countries promoting cooperation and connectivity in the region. We seek to build on successes and lessons learned from previous programs as the challenges are diversifying and expanding. Given the interconnectivity between different transnational organised crime, including illicit drug trafficking, and of course the socio-economic impact it causes, it's imperative that the response is multifaceted and integrated. With this in mind, under the framework of our country and regional program to support the interagency regional and international cooperation, we also work across other agencies because drugs is a cross-cutting issue. So we work with the Sustainable Development Goal Framework, particularly on partnerships and peace, justice and strong institutions. So as has been mentioned, it's a whole of society effort and all agencies have to join hands for this important goal. UNODC's capacity development support to the government of Pakistan has made substantial and meaningful contributions in reducing trafficking in drugs and precursor chemicals, strengthening border management as well as drug demand reduction. Where at UNODC we're proud we've been able to make a positive contribution.